Hello YouTube company, hello YouTube to all of us worldwide and to the different countries, to the different people in this earth. Lord, thank you for another day that you are giving to us. Thank you so much. Thank you that you are still helping and open arms, and that you will continue to guide and protect everything whatever we need. And thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything that what I have. Thank you now is happy. Thank you. It's happy Wednesday. It's almost 5:30 a.m. here. So, ayan, maliwanag na. Panahon. Good weather, I think. Check tayo kung maganda yung ano. Salamat na naman pala. Salamat sa still vloggers that you are helping to me. Thank you so much for the blessings. Thank you so much. Still continue ang pag-support niyo sa akin. My beginning vlogger that what I have, channel that what I have. That's why yan yung panahon. Yan pa rin ngayon maganda. Ano yung weather? And it's time. Thank you. Yan ang tagal-tagal talaga yan. Ang tagal. It's a part of the history na this one. Ayun yung security. It's one part of the history na talaga yan. It's long time ago. You see? Until now. Very strong. Just imagine yan. Part of the history of the Baghdad. The city of Baghdad. The new development. The new improvement. But that one is still belong in the history of the Baghdad. Oldest hindi naman siguro oldest building, construction building, but at least old na kasi yan, matagal na. Okay, I just always say thank you and bye and happy Wednesday to all of us. Thank you. Keep safe to all my families in my hometown. Thank you. And thank you very much talaga. And say bye-bye. God bless us all and more blessings.